Right.
Now, to inform people of the method for getting rid of Japanese knotweed. This is Japanese knotweed. It is in the family of bamboo, and it's very strong. It does a lot of damage in that it spreads underground. Here it is, growing in the wild. Now, to illustrate how to get rid of it, this is a broken plant, and this, you take it as the second section in the plant over the ground. You drill a tiny hole at the top of it, and you insert a needle, and the best kind of needle to use is borrow a big heavy needle from a vet, and they will gladly give you a loan of a needle. Fill your hypodermic with a herbicide, any herbicide, and insert the needle in the hole and fill that section with herbicide. Now, the reason it kills it is when the plant goes back in late August and September, the sap goes back down into the bulb from which the plant spreads, and it takes the herbicide with it and it kills the bulb. Now, this could sometimes have to be done for 3 years in a row, but only at the same time of year. It can only be done when the sap is starting to go back. It doesn't happen early in the year because the sap does not go down until the end of August or September. Best time to do it. And you'll get rid of your Japanese knotweed, no problem.
So you said do it in August, and then you said the next year then?
The same time.
Again?
Same time every year. That's when the sap starts to go back.
And did you mention a drill as well? You said
a little hand drill and make a hole, because if you try to make a hole with a hypodermic needle, a lot of the time the needle gets blocked from the material what that you're trying to make the hole with. So make the hole with a little hand drill. Anything, really, anything pointy, and put the needle down in the hole. That'll keep the needle free.
Right.
And fill that section with herbicide.
And the needle comes from a vet, you said?
The vet is the best one I've used.
And it could take 3 years, right?
Yeah, it could take 3 years, but I've seen it gotten rid of it in 1 year.
Right.
But you must keep vigilant and make sure that you keep watching it year after year, make sure it's not coming back, because you have to kill the bulb underground.
Yeah.
It goes down up to 15 meters in places. So if you want to get rid of it out of land, you can dig it out, but to dig it out you have to go down 15 meters.
Yeah.
And then you have to have a regulated, registered place to dump it, which is not easy, because when you dump it, it spreads there as well. This has to be highly controlled. It is very dangerous. It comes up through concrete.
Did you say that you believe that that's not seed, the stuff on...
No, it comes up through concrete. It spreads underground. Now, seed, of course, it will grow new stuff, but then it starts a bulb under the ground, starts to come up, and then the way to kill it is to get the herbicide down with the sap.
Right, so that is seed over there, that stuff.
Yep, there you go.
Right, okay, fantastic, thanks.